Show them your bike. Show them the jump. Talk to them a little bit. They can hear you. There's people on there.
What up?
Up. You want to flip around and talk to them, or what you want?
I want to flip it around.
There you go. That's what we're doing. We've been practicing jumping, ain't we? We've been trying to jump, ain't we? You been jumping it? Huh?
I'll jump that thing.
Yeah, you were jumping that dang tabletop, wasn't you? Yeah.
I was going to hit it. I was just kidding.
You what?
Me and the Houston was just kidding.
Oh, y'all act like y'all wasn't gonna hit it.
No, we were just kidding.
Yeah. Oh, ants.
Ants?
Yeah.
That's an ant pile.
Yeah, there's an ant pile, yeah. They said, hey. Somebody said, hi. Say, what up? I'm in your walls. Probably. Do you deliver mail in Hogansville? Mr. The Name. That's what the dude's name is. He said he's your real daddy. Tell him if he's your daddy, you better be subscribed.
It's not my daddy.
I'm your daddy. I know. We're just playing, bud. We're gonna make that berm right there. We ought to get that jump faster. He said your real dad's awesome is what he said. He said I was cool, man. Am I cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. I'm glad you think so.
I'm done.
Huh?
I'm done.
You done? What you gonna do? You gonna ride or what you gonna do?
I wanna see what they're doing.
You gonna turn it around? See you later, The Name.
I'm done.
You wanna ride? Huh? I can't hear you. You wanna what?
I wanna take a bite to it.
Oh, okay. Tell everybody to like and subscribe. Say it loud, like and subscribe, baby! Do it!
I'm good, baby.
Yeah! Give me a nut. Boom!